Hey gang, Jesse here from Jesse Griffith Repairs. I wanted to reach out and share my story of how I became a shop owner and got involved in repairing vehicles and tractors and combines and semi-trucks and cars. So when I was about 10 years old, we lived in Colburn, Colorado. It was about 7,500 feet in elevation. Beautiful place. My parents had some acreage there. It was a just gorgeous place. And when I was 10 years old, my mom had a massive heart attack. She was age 27. She had a really bad heart attack. And we had to sell the place and move to lower elevation. And it was heart-wrenching to us because we was absolutely in love with the place we lived in. And I remember at the time when we was moving, some of our neighbors came and seen us. And I was crying. I was 10 years old. I was upset. And she was a school bus driver and he was a rancher, but she took me aside and she was trying to comfort me, and she's like, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" That was a question she asked, and I guess without thinking about it much, I said, "I want to be a mechanic." That's what I blubbered out to her. And so we moved to lower elevation, and later on in my life I pursued that career of being a mechanic. Went to Votech, went to college, learned everything I could about mechanics and how that works and about how to be the awesome technician. So that's why I'm excited, because it's been a lifelong passion, no doubt. Remember, as a kid I took stuff apart, learned how to put it back together. So with our oil maintenance services, what we do to your vehicles, we'll bring it in. It's not just an oil change. We're not just draining the oil and putting a new filter on it and filling it back into the oil. My technicians are going to go and do an inspection on it. We're at the utmost concern of your safety. I'm passionate about this. This means a lot to me. I remember as a 10-year-old boy my life being totally changed, and I was worried that I was about to not have a mama anymore, and all the different implications that could bring to a little kid's life. And so as we see vehicles come in and out of the shop, we would like to contribute what we can to the safety and the reliability of the vehicles on the road. So when you come in for our oil maintenance service, we're going to do an inspection on the vehicle. We're going to check your tires, your suspension system, your belts, your hoses, your brakes. We're going to make that vehicle safe and reliable, or at least make you aware of any safety concerns that there is with your vehicle. I really appreciate you. I'm passionate about you, and I would love the opportunity to earn your trust.